Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to review again this IKEA knife sharpener. So today I'm going to show you how to use this IKEA knife sharpener, and we're going to sharpen a knife following the IKEA knife sharpening instructions. Let's go! The first step is, they say, is to open it up. See, there's a clips here. Just press it and then it opens up. Put it on a stable surface. Then you fill it up with the water. This, you see it? This chamber, you fill it with water. Doesn't matter that it flows over. Then close it. Okay. And here you take your not so sharp knife and put it in the first slot. There's a number here, 1. Okay, it's the blue one. And now you press it forward and back to you gently and hold it firmly. 2 for 15 to 20 times. I don't press on it, just slide it through. Let's say it's, I don't know, 20. Okay, second step, see number 2 here? You slide the knife through gently. Again for 15 to 20 times. 5, 6, 7, 12. Okay, and now the final, the third one, which is just like the finest grit. Again, 15 to 20 times. Just slide it through. From the tip to the end. Okay, that's done. Now we take the water from here and we pour it. Just wash it under the water, and that's it. Just wash the knife a bit, and that's it. Now we'll have the tomato test. Wipe it off. Here we got the tomato, the sharpened knife. Let's see if it cuts it. I won't put any pressure on. Ooh. See? And again, I'm just sliding through. So I'll say it's very sharp. So this is Tack. Okay, so this is how you sharpen a knife with the IKEA knife sharpener, following the IKEA instructions. It seems to work very well. If you want to see my other method, click on the link above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment below. if you have a different method, and what do you think about this IKEA knife sharpener. Farewell and have a nice day. See you later. Bye.